You understand? And I don't take it lightly because unlike you guys when they're on the peripheral, and me, everyone in the community I look to.
And that is why you can't make no foolish move. The people them in the community look to you as an elder statesman, you know. You have to remember, say, this is not the 80s or 90s. King, you have to operate with we like agents.
I still don't like it. But here what you're going to tell the maestro for it. I'm going to work with it. You know.
Backside, come and get the purse. Oh, hi! Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Lickmeals. How you doing?
What one Patsy? Why could it be Mr. and Mrs. Kareem?
Exactly that, because clearly she runs things.
Patsy, what going? You get a break from here?
Yeah, girl, because, hey! Boy, listen to me, no, man. Me need to create a new policy, because them the people that come with them head, I need to tell them, say, they need to wash them here before them come. Girl, and so I'm going to tell them, I know scare them, going right out, going right out. And I can't forget.
Can't forget to do what, Patsy?
I put like a fragrance in my nostrils, girl.
Yo, hairdresser are the worst people them know your business, you know?
Well, it's a good thing. It's not a hairdresser. Me, it's a ear surgeon. And right now, you look like you need operation. Look at me. I want one. Man, I talk to you about this. Man, I never talk to you.
Patsy? I'm gonna deal with it.
You gonna deal with it? She gonna deal with it.
Sell me to get rid, my love.
You're going like you're a stranger. Come on now.
Not sure. Bright, my bright. She's not back in my face. No, that. Yes. I want one. I don't think me get sick.
Teeth not gonna work. Not gonna work.
You know it could have worked out though. If the door could lift and push back. I'm going to ask about it in December.
That's true. But Patsy big.
Excuse me? Hello, no sir. But you brings me inside of me set right. My budget in all the right places. Look at you.
Patsy, just come round.
Alright, just a long time. John.
I'm gonna set a reminder about the door. As I can remember. Now I run go for the house. I'll come here.
Alright. And please don't stay long. I'll be here for you.
Alright. Patsy, later here, out the back.
Is there really a one between the son, Don't say nothing. Because I'm excited to hear that now. What really a one?
I just can't bother with him sometimes.
I see, I look, I agree with you. Not that.
Patsy ain't easy, you know?
So when you do, I get.
Him and him ex.
Wednesday. The same one already in the hospital?